Hi friends, this is Sanjay Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will tell you how to control LED from your smartphone, and I started a new series on NodeMCU ESP8266, and this is the first video of this series. Connect NodeMCU with your laptop or PC by help of USB cable. Now open the Arduino software and paste the code in your Arduino software. Now go to In Tools from menu bar of the Arduino software and select the board type and port. Now upload this code in your NodeMCU. The code and circuit diagram in the description. Now open the serial monitor and press the reset button of the NodeMCU. Now you can see the IP of the NodeMCU printed on serial monitor. Now connect your smartphone with your NodeMCU. Now download any Android app for NodeMCU control and type the IP of your NodeMCU and send LED. You can see when I sending LED, then the LED turns on and off every time. I hope you will enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram and other social media platforms. I will see you in the next video.